Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert audio video file into transcript or text format using online tool or website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using turboscribe.ai and then you see transcribe audio to text. So you can add MP4, MP3 audio video file and then you see transcribe files. So first we are going to convert audio into text. So after that you can download that file in text format or SRT format. So you can use SRT format in YouTube in subtitles. Now you see browse file, so click on it. So this is our audio file. Now select and then you see audio language. So our audio language is English. Already selected. Now upload done. Now you see transcription mode. We select whale. Now you see cheetah, dolphin, most accurate, and then you see speaker and more setting. Now you see recognize speaker, transcribe to English, restore audio. If you want you can select, it's up to you, and then click on transcribe. So if you want you can create account on this website. Now you see mode, status 12%. Now you see status done, transcript complete, and then you see 3 dots, so click on it. Now you see export transcript, open transcript, share, so you can download it, and then if you want you can download audio. So first we are going to export transcript, so click on it. Now you see export one transcript, select one or more. If you want you can export as PDF, doc, TXT, CSV, and then you see export as SRT, export as VTT. So this both format SRT, VTT you can use in YouTube subtitle. So we are going to export as SRT, and then you see maximum word per segment. The maximum number of word per segment, a new segment will begin after this many word. So you can set 8, 9, 10. So after that new caption or new subtitle will start, and then you see advanced segmentation setting. Maximum duration per second 10, maximum character per segment 80. So it's up to you, and then click on download. Now you see .srt format, save. Now save done, we are going to open it. Now file is open. So this is our .srt format. So you can edit it according to requirement. If you want to change or add something or some text, so it's up to you. Now remove this. Now you see, also you see time frame. So you can upload this SRT format in YouTube subtitle. Now you see 8 word, 1 to 8. And then we are going to convert video into transcript. Back to website. First we converted audio. Now you see transcribe file, so click on it. Browse file. So this is our MP4 file. Now select. Now uploading. So you can select video language. So our audio language for this video is English. We select whale. Same setting. Now uploading. Now uploading done, and then click on transcribe. Now you see duration, status. So if you want you can sign up with Google. Now you see 2 of 3 daily transcription used. Now done. Again click on it. If you want you can download audio, and then you see export, so click on it. So you can export PDF, VTT, SRT, TXT format, so it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.